Hi, good morning. I'm presently here in Morong, Rizal. Alright, as we can see here, the rice field is being shattered by Typhoon Ulysses. Actually, the typhoon has just came out of the Philippine area of responsibility. So here, this rice field is being rehabilitated by the rice farmers. Wow. But see, look at the natural beauty of this rice field. So wish ko lang sana tayong mga tao, let us be kind. Madalas nalilimutan natin how to be kind. Like the nature, like this one, with free flowing wind. Oh, how I wish ang buong mundo ay magkaroon ng pagmamahalan. And the kindness is very important. Let us be kind to one another. Be kind to the nature. Let us thank God. Niligtas niya tayo sa kapamakan ng bagyong Ulysses. Thank you, Lord. So that's it. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, folks. Till then, bye.